Hey, welcome back to Jonathan Roams. Today we're going to be doing a short video about some speed tests about the newly installed Starlink system that I did on my motorhome. The previous video of the installation will be below. Go ahead and watch that. It's pretty detailed. Before we get started, I'm going to grab one drink of this coffee here, let the footage roll of my intro, and then we'll start the speed test. So 2 weeks ago is when I completed the installation, and I've tested on and off. I've tested both driving and stationary. This Friday, like, subscribe, and share the video. Note that I'm going live and going to be doing a live version of this, so that way you can see what it is in motion and actually see the results. On April the 19th, I did a speed test. The speed test was 420 megabytes down a second and 20.5 up. This was around 5:30 in the afternoon. This was driving. The second one I did was at 5:33, just to kind of keep them together to see how it works while we're going down the road. The second speed test was at 5:33 that afternoon. We got 391 megabytes down a second and 13.2 up. All these will be listed over here while I'm talking about it. The third one I did driving was on Sunday, 4/20, I believe it was Easter Sunday. At 9:58 in the morning, I got 433 megabytes down a second and 22.8 megabytes up. Great speeds. Now, this speed test was done on April the 22nd. This was stationary. Was 419 megabytes down a second, 19.4 megabytes a second upload speed. Not too bad. This test here was on April the 27th at 12:14 p.m. It was 191 megabytes down and 35.5 up. And the last stationary I have was done on April the 28th, 348 megs down, 20.1 up. Now we're going to go ahead and do a live screen here. I'm going to go ahead and do it at 6:58 p.m. right now. Right here I have speed test installed, the actual application. We're going to go ahead and run a speed test. Like I had mentioned, it's 6:59, 7 o'clock in the evening, so most people are probably watching TV at this time. Right now, we're roughly getting 120 megabytes, 130 megabytes maybe a second down, 140. Heck, we're almost to 160. Get it? Hit 160. It's pretty good for a Monday afternoon or Monday evening. 15 to 16 up is usually kind of the average I'm seeing. I really like Starlink. We had rain the last couple of days and it never affected my dish. My dish is mounted on the rooftop of my motorhome, flat mounted. We'll go ahead and run it one more time. It's flat mounted. I haven't had any problems with rain or snow. I did have the different dish when it snowed this past winter, but they both heat, so I anticipate it being the same results. Right now we're getting over 200 megabytes down a second, 207 is what we came up with. Upload speeds about 28, 27, 26, dropped to rough around 24. Try Starlink, and don't forget to subscribe, because this Friday I'm going live. I'm going to go boondocking this weekend, and I'm going to go live on the way there. Actually do live video so you can see what it's doing while I'm driving. Going up and down hills, turning the motorhome left to right, heading east, west, north, south, all over. So watch the link below for the install video. I appreciate it. Let's talk about one more thing. I do have a lot of views taking place on Starlink stuff, and I greatly appreciate that. Please subscribe. Right now I have 95% or so people watching the video that's not subscribed, and that's fine. If you subscribe and don't like it or don't like my content, unsubscribe. It's not going to hurt my feelings, but I'd like to get that subscriber count up so that way I can offer more things to you guys. So until this Friday, I'll see you soon.